Hello guys, today on our channel we have the Snapmaker A350 to unboxing and to try out. This machine is a 3-in-1 machine which have 3D printer, CNC and laser engraver. It's a modular machine and we're gonna unboxing and show you this machine in detail. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and help us. Please activate the notifications button. Let's open it. So here we have the linear models, because this machine is a linear model machine based. It's a modular machine, and here we have the Snapmaker quick start guide. Our start guide manual. I must admit, this manual it have an amazing quality. It looks like the IKEA magazine. Amazing quality. So now let's start to open and assembly this machine. The manual is very well written, detailed and easy to follow. I have to say, the printer box is huge, but they did a pretty awesome job on the packaging. The assembly is very easy by following the 22 steps there are in the manual, and in about an hour the machine is fully assembled and ready to go. The machine is controlled by a touchscreen which is Android based, that sits on a magnetic base, and it's connected to the printer controller using a flexible cable. So you can easily control your machine from any angle, anytime. The 3D print model is a direct drive extruder that gives you the possibility to print flexible materials such as TPU. The Snapmaker has a forum and a Facebook group with an active community that is always available to help you with your projects, and has already made a bunch of upgrades to the different versions of this machine. The Luban software have a simple interface with good and nice visibility. Overall, the machine is very good, very sturdy and very well made. It's a good machine for makers, for companies, and very useful and powerful tool on schools and universities, giving to the professors, researchers and students the ability of creation and defy their creativity. The Snapmaker slogan, "Make something wonderful," is definitely true, because with this 3-in-1 machine, the creativity on creating wonderful and useful things is almost unlimited. This particular machine will be a part of the research center where I work and will be an important tool for researchers, so I really want to thank Snapmaker. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you are doing well and enjoy this review. If you want to see more about this machine, such as a video about the enclosure or a video about the emergency button, please tell me on the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you are considering to buy a Snapmaker, please use the affiliate link down below.